We're back, baby! The F-Type has returned. I almost didn't film this video because it may have taken slightly longer than originally planned, and I'll explain that in 2 seconds. But the good news is, we are back, we are working, and I did not pay a penny. So I suppose, thank you, Jaguar Marshall, Oxford. 5 months is a bit long, I'll be honest. Should have been a lot quicker. But I am pleased to have my F-Type back on my drive. I haven't actually driven my Golf, which is my daily, for 5 months. So I need to start that, move it, sort some bits out. I'm going to go upstairs and I'll fill you in on why this was a slight delayed pickup. Obviously the 5 months we get, we're hopefully all caught up. If you're not, and this is the first video you've found of me, you need to click up there or there, I can't remember which side, and just follow this whole series from the start, and then eventually you'll land back here. But for those of you that have been following this series, thank you very much. Like, comment, subscribe below, as always. Yeah, I just drove it back from the dealership, and I must say I started off pretty plain. I was in traffic, pretty bored, and just like, yeah, it's okay. And then I got onto the windy and the twisties a little bit more, and I was like, okay. Put a bit of music on, opened up the valves. Yeah, I've missed this a lot. I'm annoyed I've missed summer, but I think we've all missed summer, haven't we, really? The weather at the moment is horrible. In the UK, we've got some sort of mega storm. Can't really see, but it's just not great at the moment. So, there is stuff planned. This is long enough for the introduction. It's back. Let me catch you up on why it's taking a little bit longer. Right, so, yes, the F-Type has returned. I picked it up today. Which is the 26th of September. However, this was the second attempt at the pickup. I actually originally went to pick up the car, and I almost, very almost, would have done a video on not picking up the F-Type, because videos go out on Saturday, and the next opportunity to pick it up, if I hadn't picked it up today, would have been Saturday. So, repairs, customer confirmation letter from JLR. Thought I'd read it through and explain all the T's and all the C's. So there's 3 repairs that they did in total, and then they did a visual health check at the end. So, investigated vehicle misfiring, found car required a replacement cylinder 4 injector and O2 sensors, injector seized in heads required specialist removal, replaced and retested, all okay. Repair number 2. Investigated exhaust valve not working, found valve in exhaust seized and required new exhaust box replaced and retested, all okay. Replaced centre air vent due to intermittently not rising from dash. Carried out visual health check. That's pretty good. And then my visual health check, full of issues. And the main stuff basically is front brakes need replacing, which I will get sorted with probably Raptor Customs at some point. And that was it. Oh, and the repair kit expired in 2021, but that was when I picked up the car, so yeah, they should have replaced that before I bought it. Anyway, otherwise they're telling me that the tyre tread is low, but it's on like over 4.5mm, and you pick them up with 7, so, and the test fails below. Anyway, there's more than enough. Authorised work. I don't really understand it, but it said authorised work came to total price of £5,000, but the total was 10 anyway. Anyway, I didn't pay for anything. So that's good. Very, very good. Very happy with that. But when I did pick up the car, went to pick it up on Wednesday, the car, in my mind, or when I tested it, the valves weren't working properly, which was the original problem. I took it to Cheltenham back in April. I actually got the engineer, he had a look at it, and he agreed it would be probably better to leave the car with them than to take it and bring it back. And I was like, wow, that's really frustrating. I've driven all the way here. Car's not ready. Anyway, they retested it and they said it was fine. So I picked it up today and it is now back on the drive. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm happy. There's not really much else to update you on, to be honest. No, not really. I'm going to end the video there, I think. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for all the support over the last 5 months. The F-Type has now returned. There will be more content coming, which will consist of just the normal kind of content I've been doing. Hopefully some road trips and all the other jazzy bits in there. I'm going to modify the Jag slightly, cosmetically, definitely. So stay tuned for that and what I get up to. And yeah, thanks very much. Like, comment, subscribe. Only a quick video this week. I'll catch up with you next week. Bye.